Good evening, crafters. This is Felicia coming to you once again with another project that I have completed and that I will be putting in the mail in the morning. This project was scraps of color. It was a swivel class charm um, swap. And you had to do 6, and the theme was flower. So what I did is I took the Sizzix die, the flower, sunflower, cut it out. I used some old paper that I happened to stumble on. There's some Stampin' Up! Pattern paper that I got so many years ago. So I cut that out and chipboard, light chipboard up. And in my charm, the charm you have to have at least 10 on the charm. And remember the theme is flowers. So here I got this flower at Hobby Lobby. This bead has a sunflower on it. This is that Dollar Michaels felt flower. This was a pretty flower I ordered on eBay along with this color and a couple of buttons and just little bitty pearls. And handmade with love. And that one lost some. And then the trim I have is a little daisy also. And I thought this one was cute too, this little leaf. And that was on Scraps of Color, Swivel Class Swap. That's Felicia signing out. That is Felicia signing out. Y'all have a wonderful, blessed evening.
Lord, this is a song to give you thanks. Help me express myself, Lisa.
For every time that you